ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. I am Saint Nicholas, otherwise known as Santa Claus. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not really Santa Claus. I'm actually Joe Mamba. But you already knew that. And today, we've got a special episode on board for Percussion Lessons with Joe. Episode 3. Wow, I can't believe we're already on episode 3 already. This is going by so quickly. So, because Christmas is right around the corner, I decided that I would do a very special Christmas special for y'all today. So, today we're going to be covering none other than one of my favorite instruments. That's right. The sleigh bells! Now, I'm sure you've all heard of Sleigh Ride. Very popular Christmas tune that goes like, you know, that one. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to play the sleigh bells. So you just saw me do something like this. That's one way of playing the sleigh bells, but mainly, if you want some really nice and articulate notes, you're going to want to do something like this. Yeah. So see, we're getting some nice, really clear-cut, articulate sounds from there. And basically, if you want to get good, you just want to practice this motion. You know, I practice this motion multiple times every single day. Not always on the sleigh bells. You can do it on, really anything that's shaped like this. Oh, I'm so getting demonetized. Anyways, if you want to play some louder notes, you can just be like, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. You know, we get some much louder dynamics there. And, obviously, we're getting some really rhythmically sounds here. You know, very staccato. And definitely what you want to go for here. And if you want to do a roll, then you basically just do that, but faster. Oh, 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 oh. So, also, another way of doing a roll is just put the sleigh bells on a table over here. Grab a pair of drumsticks and go to town. So obviously we're getting some very clear rolls out of the sleigh bells there. You know, also it's a great way to practice your zones because these are small playing surfaces. And yeah, we're just getting some real nice, clean, and even rolls on here, and that's exactly what you want it to sound like. Just like that. Okay. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this episode of Percussion Lessons with Joe. Real quick Christmas special here. And yeah, I wish you all happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Halloween, Easter, whatever, man. I don't care. Just have a good time, basically. And I'll see you next time.